Giambettino Cignaroli was born 4th of July 1706, died 1st of December 1770, was an Italian painter of the Rococo and early Neoclassic period. He became the director of the Academy of Painting and Sculpture of Verona in December 1764. The academy was subsequently known as Accademia Cignaroli. Among his many pupils were Maria Suppioti Ceroni, Giovanni Battista Lorenzi, Saverio Dalla Rosa, Domenico Mondini, Domenico Pedarzoli, and Christopher Unterberger. His brother Giovanni Domenico Cignaroli was also a painter, for the Austrian governor of Lombardy and a collector of antiquities, Count Karl von Firmian. Cignaroli painted 2 canvases on Greco-Roman episodes, a thematic preferred by neoclassic painters. Death of Cato and Death of Socrates. Giambettino was born into a family of artists, and this tradition continued after his death with his children. Artists from his family who were contemporaries and elders of Giambettino include his uncle Leonardo Seniore, and his 2 sons, Martino and Pietro.